Let me get around this corner. Alright. I can only see you coming from. Let's see. Where are you at? There you are. Alright, there we go. Try to get some noiseness. Oh shit. I'm sorry, I didn't know you were coming that way. That looked good though. Oh, I'm sorry, dude, Zombie Braxton, my bad. Get it! Oh, did he just fuck you up? Alright, let me see how this one looks as it is, because it's probably gonna look terrible.